In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Find My Device on Samsung phone. If your Find My Device is turned on Samsung phone, you'll be able to track your Samsung phone when misplaced or lost. You'll be able to reset your Samsung phone, erase your data, or even change your Samsung phone lock screen information. Now, to turn off Find My Device on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. While on the settings, you want to scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll down and click on More Security Settings. Then scroll down, locate and click on Device Admin Apps. Here you have the Find My Device turned on. Then toggle off this feature. Then you should see what that says. The admin app is active and allow Google Play service to perform the following actions. So with Google Play service and Find My Device turned on your Samsung phone, you will be able to delete all data, change the screen lock screen, and disable some screen lock features. However, if you want to disable or turn off the Find My Device on your Samsung phone, you need to do is tap the activate button and then repeat the process on Find My Device again and click on deactivate. Once you hit the deactivate button, the Find My Device app will be disabled on your Samsung phone and the Google Play Store application will not be able to allow you to track, delete, erase, or change your Samsung phone screen lock feature when misplaced or stolen. So, found this really helpful. If you want to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.